everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add mist effects to your video in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To add the mist effect, head to the Effects tab and search for mist. Find the mist effect. Click on the effect to preview it on your video. Then click the plus icon in the bottom right corner or drag and drop it directly onto the timeline to apply it. Move to the desired time point. Adjust the edges of the effect to match the duration of your video or a specific scene. Now let's fine-tune the effect. Tap on the effect layer, go to the right side adjusted settings. Make adjustments as needed. We can duplicate and overlay multiple effect layers to enhance the effect. The duplicated effect layer will maintain the same effect settings, but you can also adjust other settings. You can also overlay additional effects as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.